Hey everyone, check out the PLZ 9-inch portable wireless Apple CarPlay screen that transforms your car experience with seamless wireless connectivity for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen stereo lets you control apps, music, and navigation effortlessly using Siri or Google Assistant while driving safely. It features a stunning 4K dashcam and a 108op backup camera with parking guidelines for easier reversing. The built-in G sensor triggers automatic event recording during sudden movements, ensuring your safety on the road. With 4 audio output options including Bluetooth, FM transmitter, aux, and built-in speakers, you get versatile sound quality for every trip. The 9-inch IPS screen adjusts brightness automatically for clear visibility in all lighting conditions. Plus, it's compatible with a wide voltage range to fit almost any vehicle, making your drive smarter and more connected. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.